In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can create a guild and upload a custom image here in Sailor Piece on Roblox. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you had any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now, obviously, you have to be in C2 in order to do this, so make sure that you have it unlocked. And then go to Punch Island, and just over to the right, you're going to see the guild NPC. Interact with them and you'll see that you need a few things in order to do this. You obviously need to be level 10,000 and you need to have a guild key. Now, guild keys drop from the enemies here in C2, but the drop rate is obnoxiously low, so expect to grind for it for a while. But once you have both, you just interact with them, you enter in your guild name right here. And then, of course, you can invite people as well. But the main thing is this guild image ID. As you can see, it's saying that you have to paste from Roblox assets ID. So essentially, you need an image on Roblox assets. What you're going to want to do is just open up a web browser and just go to roblox.com, right? And once you're on roblox.com, hit create just like so. It's going to take you to a page that looks something like this. You need to go ahead and hit creations, then go to development items just like so. Then specifically go to decals, and as you can see, I actually have one already in here, but just upload your asset just like so. Once you have that asset and it's published, select it, and what you need to do is hit these little three dots just like so, hit copy asset ID, and then go back into Sailor Piece, and that's where you go ahead and paste it just like so. You'll see the image update once you hit create, but that is the entire process. If you guys had any questions, ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.